There's a lot of beautiful charts in crypto. This is one of them. This is one of the most beautiful because it is everything. This is the total crypto market cap chart. If you're a bear, there's more bears in the comments than bulls, especially lately. Just is what it is. Please tell me, please explain to me what is wrong with this chart. We are zoomed out. Please explain to me what's wrong with the chart. I just posted, keep dipping. I'll still be here bull posting. The long-term trajectory of this space has never been more clear. I'm doing this video very spontaneously because I posted that post and I'm like, I realize I post a lot of bullishness. I look like a perma-bull to a lot of people. And maybe that's just because I'm constantly zoomed out on the long-term story here. Since I've started this YouTube channel back here in 2018, really the top of the bull market, and I've been through these bear markets and I've been through that last bull market with y'all. I've been investing in this space. And I've never been more confident in the trajectory of this space. And I wanted to do this short video trying to very simply illustrate why. I'm not just trying to offer hopium. I don't do this just for clickbait. We are in what I think is a golden era, not only for America, but for crypto. Many things are happening right now that have never happened, that even a year ago, we would have never even thought would be happening right now in the beginning of 2025. The golden year of a 4-year cycle, by the way, even if these things weren't happening. So hit the subscribe, hit the like on the way in. Let's just jump into it. Before I talk about the chart, and I'm going to show you very clearly where my head is at here, I want to preface with just a few things. I just saw this. Brad Garlinghouse, as you know, met with Trump. He discussed with Trump making XRP a strategic reserve asset for the U.S. You might be like, I don't hold XRP. But here's the thing. Garlinghouse, he stressed that U.S. reserves should include a variety of cryptos, not just Bitcoin, to support American crypto companies. And Brad Garlinghouse posted earlier today, I think it was today, just this approach of the space uniting, coming together to win. And this is what is happening. And I think even from the administration standpoint, they're focused not just on Bitcoin, but on crypto. That's one thing I want to mention. I saw this post. Look at this Ethereum buy streak from Trump in just 1 week. The U.S. government is pro-crypto and people are selling. The U.S. government is pro-crypto. This is brand new. This is still new news. People are selling. The negative sentiment, the negative comments that I'm seeing as a content creator are like record breaking. That's crazy to me. That's honestly the worst move in my opinion, is what Ted here says. And I just very much agree. You look at an Ethereum chart. We've been doing analysis on this Ethereum chart, and it's not even broken the swing highs of spring of 2024, let alone the all-time high of last cycle. We're just getting started. I'm going to show you actually that on the total crypto market cap chart. And then there's this. I just want to leave you with this.
It'll make the United States a manufacturing superpower and the world capital of artificial intelligence and crypto.
I just don't get how you can be bullish with those things as you're looking at this chart. And I'm going to show you why even without those things, this chart is bullish. Before I do a quick shout out to Coinledger, sponsor of today's video, a multi-year sponsor of Crypto Capital Venture, one of the most incredible, valuable, helpful, must-need just platforms to use on your crypto journey. Generate your crypto tax forms in minutes, and it's true. And there's so much to it, everybody. To click of buttons, you can just import your wallets, your exchanges. It runs the report for you. You will save so much time, money, and headache. But this one part, capital gains report. The capital gains report contains all of your gains or losses from your trading history, including short-term versus long-term for relevant countries. For each trade, you will be able to view the calculated cost basis, proceeds, net gain loss. And just look, this is basically what it looks like back there, and just in this one area. And for me, when I glance at this, and obviously I use the report, my CPA uses a report for taxes and everything, but when I log in there and I'm glancing at this, it really is telling to go in there and see what you've done. And if you're serious about your crypto journey, you need to get Coinledger. You need to do your taxes. You need to get Coinledger. And you can just see here, whether you're in US, Australia, or anywhere in between, Coinledger generates the crypto tax reports that you need to finish your taxes. Hit the link below, sign up with Coinledger, and shout out to Coinledger for sponsoring the video. Here is the total crypto market cap chart. So we just talked about all of those bullish things. Now, what I want to do for this exercise, and really this is the main purpose of the video, put aside all of that crazy bullishness. What if we had Kamala as president Gensler's still sitting there, and things are just still like rough right now. There's not nearly as much bullishness from just an administration standpoint. And we know what's going on there. And I haven't even covered it all in this video at all. But let's say none of that was happening. And we're just like, all right, here we are, another crypto cycle. Just look at the general simple data. It's all you have to do. That's all I'm doing. But then I absorb all the other stuff going on, and I see the long-term trajectory becoming more clear for crypto, how early we are. We're still early. This whole market, only $3.38 trillion. But look at this. Bitcoin halvings in yellow. It's back to basics. Here's 2016 halving. 539 days was the top of the bull market. Here is 2020 halving. 532 days was the top of the bull market. Very similar, right? 539, 532, like a week difference. So I took 539 days, and we could take 532 days. It doesn't matter. October 2025. That alone is such simple data to be like, wow, you know what? And if you just take a visualization glance at the chart, higher highs, higher lows, yeah, maybe even this week, because it's going to be maybe tomorrow's going to be volatile. FOMC, all that, the short-term volatility. Maybe we dip further, right? Maybe we dip a lot. Maybe we lose $1 trillion on this chart. Even still, I sit here and I'm bullish on the crypto space. It is still undervalued when you think about what is about to pour into this space. Point being, right now we're in a consolidation. And if you look at 2017 data, I think is very helpful. You can see not once so far, actually, post Bitcoin halving, have we seen this chart get into this, type of move on this weekly, like overbought consistently. We had a quick pop up and overbought, came back down. But right now, if you actually look at it, it looks very similar to 2 cycles ago, right? If you look at the RSI and the momentum oscillator from 2 cycles ago back here. Interestingly enough, this was a Trump cycle. This was a Trump cycle where Trump wanted to see a weaker dollar, wanted to see lower interest rates, right? I don't remember his interest rates quotes, but I do know he wanted a weaker dollar. And right now we have wanting interest rates lower type of quotes, right? We've been tracking that. But here we are, overbought, pullback, overbought, pullback, overbought, pullback. Look at all these pullbacks. It's choppy. And this is exactly where we are. Even going into halving, check this out, just falling from overbought, nice fall, boom. Look at this, nice fall into Bitcoin halving, overbought, boom. Let it chop, let it fall, overbought. Let it be choppy, huge dips. If we want a super cycle, especially, and we want to see this play out really bullish on the long term, we want to hit our fund target up here at like $12 trillion market cap, we better endure dips. Or at the very least, we better endure just sideways, because look, we're right around where we were in November 2024, right? Right now, this is a weekly chart, but it's just been sideways for weeks. And even the last consolidation was just kind of like very sideways and obviously down. But we have to endure these things. Maybe we go further down. Maybe it's sideways longer. Maybe we make a nice little move to the upside. Either way, when you zoom out on a chart, this is why I'm bullish. All of these things together. And I could sit here for way longer and describe it and explain it more, but I wanted to very simply explain it in a short video. Why I post things like this. I don't mean to be overconfident, but I have my exposure to these markets at a level where I'm okay with, right? My own risk analysis, my own risk appetite, and I'm just hanging out for the journey. So that's it. Total crypto market cap chart video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Wanted to just do it, put it out there, kind of explain it in a very simple fashion. And guess what? We could dip tomorrow. We could dip tonight as I'm uploading the video. That's not what this video is about. This is a long-term snapshot of this space, and I think is very bullish. Please hit the subscribe, hit the like if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.